In this video, I'm going to talk about some key websites that are useful for your family history research. Actually, I would say they're crucial for your family history research. If used correctly, these websites will reveal your ancestors and take your family tree back in time, hopefully towards the medieval period. Who knows? Until you start looking at these websites and using them, you won't find that information. So let's get going. The next website is the National Library of Wales, and as you would expect, this is presented in English and Welsh. It has wills dated from before 1858. Testimonies of witchcraft from the 17th century, and the Dictionary of National Welsh Biography. It has over 15 million articles from Welsh newspapers, 1804 onwards. It has maps, photos, film and sound archive, and also a 1914 World War I platform. So lots to keep you occupied there with your Welsh ancestors. I'm not going to take up any more of your time. Have a look at them, explore, and let me know what you find. Good luck and have fun.